How much room we've got to run at the front?
Another metre you can in, yeah.
It's skewing a bit.
Bring it forward and we'll hook the back around. I think it's centred at the front, just not the back. We can shift it around one time, I think.
Cool. Make sure I'm not running anything over.
Yeah, don't stand astride that wire though if you're pulling. Oh, there's something there.
Yeah, it's the joint between the sheets.
Yeah, go again. I think it's this bit here. I think it's just caught in the back.
No, it's caught at the front.
As well, right.
There we go, loaded up on the back of the family bus. Borrowed Owen's ratchet straps. Keep it nice and secure. All the scrap in there as well. Off to the scrappy we go, see how much we get for it. Not sure I'll be able to film there, but we shall see. There he goes. With the green car gone, it's time to do some more sorting and work out what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to get rid of. Start to load this up. First of all, the things I'm going to get rid of, try and sell them. If I can't, scrap them, bin them, whatever. And then once they're all gone, I can load it all up with all the stuff that I want to keep. And that's going to go into storage in January. Last thing out, with a bit of luck, will be that car on its wheels. Maybe. We shall see. Right. These, I think, are the only remaining bits that other people might want that I don't. Got a very nice boot lid here, Boston green, and pretty decent nick. A few cobwebs, a bit of dust, but otherwise in good shape. I might be tempted, if no one takes it whole, to take the boot lock out of it and take the high level light as well and keep that. But if you want the whole thing, let me know. 2 rear quarter panels, again, BMW Boston green, in pretty good shape. A little bit of rust forming around the arch, as you'd expect for a 25-year-old car, but perfectly savable with a bit of a clean-up. Tiny bit of welding maybe on one of them. Yeah, this one's a little bit worse, but perfectly savable. Bumpers, front and rear, again Boston green. Fog lights, that indicator's cracked, but that indicator's all right. Both the fog lights look in pretty good shape. So I'll put those up on eBay. Rear bumper, not in amazing shape. It's got a scratch on it, but I'm not really looking for much money for these. Alternator, worth it, come get it. Over here, the boot lid, original boot lid off what's now the Z300 with my nice little EV badge that I 3D printed. I've stripped that one already, so I'm not going to be asking much for it, but yours if you want it. A radiator, not leaking to the best of my knowledge. Again, if you're coming to get some bits off me, I might well throw that in. That's just some random bits of foam. Boston green bonnet, again mostly in good nick. There is a little ding here, which would either pull out or fill. I think these are going for like 100, 120 quid. I'm not going to be asking that much. Again, yours if you want it. So I'm going to stick all these things on eBay, give them a week. If they don't go in a week, then I will scrap most of them, take the bits I want and scrap the rest, sadly. Other than that, I think I want to pretty much keep everything. And over here, a growing pile of things that need sorting out that I want to keep. Probably going to keep that Space Saver wheel. It's actually not as rusty as I thought. It could be cleaned up and refitted under the car. Actually, one more thing to get rid of. Might get rid of this set of wheels. Not the biggest fan of these alloys. I prefer the ones I've got on there now, or those are not the wheels that are going to live on here, but they do for the moment. But yeah, tyres with some reasonably decent tread left on them. 4 alloy wheels. If you want them, make me an offer. So that's it for this video. Some good progress made on getting out of the garage. 1 car down, a lot of stuff sorted out. Big pile of plastics behind the camera ready to go to the bin, unless anybody really wants a load of very old BMW wheel arch liners and various other bits, and a very cracked bumper. So yeah, lots more to do. Probably be some 3D printing and CAD type videos in the next little period, while I get everything ready to finish up the back of the car and then flip it round in order to do the front. I am having to pare back my ambitions in terms of what I'll get done by the end of January. I don't think I'm going to get the engine bay painted like I wanted to. I wanted to really strip that out and clean it and paint it before I refitted the drivetrain. Don't think that's going to happen. It's really going to be doing the bare minimum to get that car back on the road, so that we can drive it out of here and go get it MOT'd again, find out all the things I've done wrong in the body swap, and then get it off to paint with a bit of luck, although there'll probably be a bit more body preparation to do before it can go to paint. Right now those doors are not fitting. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.